let me fetch water in this jerry can. I go and mold my grandmother's house. So my people, it's drizzling right now. But you see guys, the way I'm trying to deliver content to you, it's even raining, but I want you to watch something at least, you know. I want you, when you come back to my channel, you watch something. It's raining and I'm here fetching water. How are you doing today? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janet Matinda. Stay tuned, sit back, relax and enjoy this particular amazing video. You can see unfinished house, my people. This is how it looks like. This is how we start construction of an African house. From this to that. Yes. So you have to lay your sticks and timbers like this. Then you will place your mud like this. So once it's like this, you will come back after some few days. You finish up, you make sure that you close these woods here from being seen. Yes, so this is an unfinished African house, and that's where the cows sleep. Can you see? That's where the cows sleep. So I want to dig right here. I want to dig this mud from this particular point. I put some water and I start molding this particular house. You can see this is where my grandmother cooks from. Yes, so I just visited her and I want to help her with this duty. You know, she's old. When her granddaughter is around, why not help her? So yes, my people, so this is what I'll be doing today. Kindly watch this video from the start to the end. Make sure you share with your favorites, friends, colleagues and any other person. Kindly thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. May all of you just be blessed. You first dig your mud like this. You create a hole. You can see this particular place. There's mud there already, so you can see it's already covered, but it's not fully yet done. Yeah, it's not done yet. And this particular place also, you can see it's not yet, but this one, it's very empty. Create a hole right here just like this. So I'll pour water in it. Like that. More water like that. Yeah, so then this thing is disturbing me. Then I'll put in mud like this. Like this. The way you see that I'm doing it. Like that. So because you can't mix everything with water, you have to step on it. So I'll just step on it like this. Yeah, like that. Then I'll take my blender, dig again until the mud is smooth, yeah, and ready. So I'll step on it again, just like this. So this is what we do. Once your sand is ready like that, do like this. So my people, now I'll take this mud and put it together like this. Come closer. I want them to see what I'm doing here. Because this side, let's start with this point. Take your mud and put it like this. Like that. This one is kind of... It's not, it's too light. Let me add a little bit. Yeah. So, we add it here again. Just like this. Yeah, like that. Then I take another one. Yeah, like that. So I'll go on step by step until I feel this particular part here. Yes. So when you dig again, let me add water. This one is dry. So guys, the reason why I'm stepping on this mud is for it to be fine. Yeah, it needs to be fine so that you can place it on this roof right here. guys, yeah, so we go to the next part, just like this. You have to make sure that it aligns together so that it doesn't fall off a lot. Guys, it has to fall off, but not all of it. No, it doesn't fall off all of it. No. So guys, that's how we mold houses here in Africa. Yes, so once you see a house is covered from the outside with the mud, yeah, that's how we do it. It's a whole work. It's a whole tiresome process, my people. Maybe you can help me build my grandmother a house of bricks. That one is way better. That one will be better, my people, because at least that one, it doesn't need a lot of energy. Because once I go back home, you know, also at home there's a lot of work, my people. So I don't know if I'll come back and finish it, but I'll try come back. But if she could at least have a house made of bricks, my people, it could have been better. Maybe you can help me out. We at least build her one that is made of bricks. I will really, really appreciate, my people. Yeah. So guys, look at this. Look at that. So that's how it starts, from this to this. But this one is not complete yet, because you have to make sure that the woods here are covered. Yeah, just the same way I told you. Like, you have to make sure they are covered just like the other house. Kindly pass the camera by this point here, just like that. The other house. It has to be like that. Yeah, it has to be like that. Exactly. So I have to make sure I put this mud up to this particular wood here, so that it covers this point entirely. I still have a lot of mud, so no worries, my people. No worries. After this, I'll go and eat a very big ugali, because the energy that I'm using right here, it's a lot of energy, guys. It's a lot of energy. Hey, I'll go eat a big ugali. Maybe like this mud here. My people, you can see what I've done here. You can see how it looks like. So I'll continue with this same process until where I'll reach, guys. I can't finish today because I know I'll get tired. This is not easy. It's not easy to do this particular work when you're alone. No, it needs a community or a family when you're doing it together. So since I'm here helping my grandmother and no one is around, I'll have to do it until where I'll reach and get tired. Yeah, I'll leave it right there, guys. Or if you want to support me, we can at least build her a house of bricks. That one is way easier, my people. So my people, I'm done with the other side. I've started this other side too. So I've started from downwards now, and this is where I've reached. So I'll go step by step until I reach at the top. So make sure you watch this video, my people, from the start to the end. Support my channel kindly. Share my content worldwide, my people, so that people can get to know how Africans live and the houses that they see on the internet, how they are made, my people. Kindly make sure you watch my content. If you haven't watched any, check on my latest videos and make sure you watch them, my people. See you on to the next video, and thank you so much. Be blessed.